The Realme P3 Pro is a compelling mid-range smartphone with a focus on performance, battery life, and a unique design. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons, with a spotlight on its special feature. The Realme P3 Pro stands out with its nebula design, incorporating luminous color-changing fiber. This technology allows the back panel to glow in the dark after being exposed to UV light, creating a unique and eye-catching aesthetic. For pros, unique design, the glow-in-the-dark feature sets it apart from other smartphones. Strong performance, powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, it handles multitasking and demanding apps with ease. Excellent battery life, a massive 6,000 mAh battery ensures long usage, and 80 watts fast charging gets you back in action quickly. Immersive display, a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate provides a great visual experience for gaming and media consumption. Competitive price, offers a lot of features for its price point, making it a good value proposition. For cons, no ultra-wide camera. The lack of an ultra-wide lens limits versatility in photography. Software experience, Realme's UI, while feature-rich, may not appeal to those who prefer a stock Android experience. Bloatware, like many Android phones, it may come with pre-installed apps that some users might find unnecessary. Camera performance, while the main camera is decent, it may not excel in all lighting conditions, and the lack of an ultra-wide lens is a drawback. Overall, the Realme P3 Pro is a strong contender in the mid-range market, offering a unique design, solid performance, and excellent battery life. While it has some drawbacks, its strengths make it a compelling option for users looking for a feature-packed phone at an affordable price. Here are some additional points to consider. Gaming, the powerful processor and large battery make it a good choice for mobile gamers. Media consumption, the large AMOLED display and dual speakers enhance the media experience. Software updates, it's important to check Realme's track record for software updates, as timely updates are crucial for security and performance. Currently the price of this phone is about €240, and if you prioritize a unique design, long battery life, and strong performance, the Realme P3 Pro is definitely worth considering. However, if an ultra-wide camera is essential for you, you might want to explore other options.